Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today I've got something super exciting to share with you, a brand new product. Now, hold up a second, before we dive in, I want you to do me a solid favor. Check out the full review I've put together for you.
Let me show you how RevRescue AI helps you find local businesses that already need help improving their visibility, reviews, and online presence, then automatically creates the audits, outreach, reports, and follow-up assets you need to start real client conversations. And the best part? The AI does all of the heavy lifting for you. You don't need to spend hours researching businesses. You don't need to manually build audits. You don't need to write outreach messages from scratch. And you don't need to guess who might need your help. RevRescue AI helps surface those opportunities automatically. Let me show you. I'll type in City, Orlando. Niche, hotels. Now look at this. In just a few seconds, RevRescue AI has scanned Google and Yelp simultaneously, pulled real business data, and surfaced businesses with visibility, review, and reputation opportunities that you can help improve starting from today. Now this is interesting. Look at this business. Google rating, 4.4. Yelp rating, 3.8. Same business, different customer experience across platforms. And RevRescue AI immediately highlights that inconsistency. This gives you a natural conversation starter. So instead of sending generic marketing pitches or wondering what to say, you can simply share the insights RevRescue AI uncovered and let the data do the talking. Now imagine this. We didn't just find one business. We found multiple. Every single one of these represents a potential opportunity. Different businesses, different situations, different needs, but all surfaced automatically by AI. And according to early results, you can find thousands to millions of businesses. That means every city equals multiple opportunities. Every niche equals more clients waiting. But here's something even more interesting. Not every opportunity comes from rating gaps. Some are businesses that don't even have a strong review presence yet. Watch this. Now, instead of looking for rating discrepancies, I'm switching to faded reviews. Now, RevRescue AI is searching for businesses that have little to no reviews, have weak or inconsistent listings, or are barely visible online. Look at this. These businesses are completely different. They're not just losing money. Some of them do not have a Google My Business or Yelp profile. They're missing opportunity entirely. And this is huge because these businesses don't need convincing. They already know something is off. You don't even need to talk about reputation gaps here. You simply say, "You're barely visible online. We can fix that." And that becomes an easy yes. And the best part? These are another fast clients to close because now you can offer review setup services, listing optimization, Google Business Profile Setup, Reputation Foundation packages, charging $300 to $1,000 upfront, plus monthly retainers. So now, you're not limited to one type of opportunity. You have different opportunities, such as businesses with rating inconsistencies, businesses with weak review presence, businesses with missing listings, businesses that need help improving visibility. Which means you're not relying on a single type of opportunity, but you now have access to prime businesses that have money to spend. Let's click into one. Now, this is where you go from marketer to trusted advisor. Look at this. Reputation opportunity analysis, visibility, impact, reputation insights, growth opportunities. But it goes deeper than that. RevRescue also shows competitor comparison insights, so you can literally show them who is outperforming them and why. Reputation insight badges, so at a glance you can highlight rating gap detected, hidden reviews found, reputation opportunity. And this is powerful, because now the business doesn't just see a problem, they feel it. And when a business owner sees this, they don't ask, "Do I need help?" They ask, "How do we fix this?"
Now watch this. With one click.
And boom, professional landing page. They're real data, charts, comparisons, insights. But here's where it gets even better. You're not just getting one type of page, you're getting different conversion-optimized templates, including gap analysis, revenue calculator, competitor spy, hidden reviews, audit download, each designed to trigger a response. And all of this content generated automatically with the AI content engine. No writing, no editing, no stress. And if you prefer, export everything as a professional PDF report instantly. This is what you send. This is what gets replies. This is what positions you like an expert. Now, here's the part most tools completely ignore. And this is where you make money. Because finding the problem is one thing, but fixing it, that's where clients pay you. Watch this. RevRescue AI instantly creates a gap fix plan, a step-by-step strategy that improves their reviews, generates better customer feedback responses, strengthens their credibility signals, align their reputation across platforms. So now, you're not just identifying opportunities, you're also presenting a solution. Because RevRescue AI doesn't stop at the analysis, it helps you create the solution. And that changes everything. Because now, you've gone from person pointing out issues to person solving the problem. And you're fixing this problem for them and getting paid using RevRescue AI. So here is where most people struggle. What do you say to the prospects? How do you get them to say yes? RevRescue solves that too. AI Email Closer. It writes a personalized message based on the lead's personalized data, including their rating gap, their revenue loss, their opportunity. And it doesn't stop there. You can set up automated follow-up sequences, so even if they don't reply immediately, RevRescue follows up for you. Day 1, Introduction. Day 3, Reminder. Day 6, Insight Follow-up. Day 10, Closer. No manual chasing, no forgetting, just consistent outreach automated by AI. Now imagine doing this for 10, 20, 50 businesses. That's where RevRescue becomes your command center, running full business automations on your behalf. Lead management dashboard. Everything is organized. Leads, insights, outreach status. And if you want to move faster, use advanced lead filtering. Sort by highest revenue loss, best opportunities, lead score. So instead of wasting time, you focus only on the best clients. Now let's talk about what this actually means for you. Businesses already pay for services like these every day. Some pay for audits, some pay for visibility improvements, some pay for reputation management, some pay monthly retainers. So let's keep it simple. Just 3 clients at $500 per month. That's $1,500 per month recurring. 5 clients at $1,000 per month. That's $5,000 per month recurring. 10 clients. That's $10,000 to $20,000 per month or more. And RevRescue AI helps you identify opportunities faster. And here's the key difference. You're not guessing anymore. You're showing proof. You're showing plan. You're showing a solution. So now imagine this. Tomorrow, you open RevRescue, run a search in your city, and within minutes, you have businesses that need help improving their online presence, a professional audit ready, a recommended action plan generated, personalized outreach ready to send on your behalf. And remember, the AI already found the opportunity. The AI generated the audit. The AI created the action plan. The AI even prepared the outreach and does the follow-up sequence for you. So instead of starting from scratch, you're simply reviewing, sending, and letting the system do much of the heavy lifting. Then one day, a business replies, "Can you help us improve this?" That's your first client, then your second, then your 10th, your 100th. If you want a smarter way to find clients, show real value, present solutions, and get paid, then RevRescue AI gives you everything in one place. But don't wait. This is a limited time launch offer, and once the window closes, the price goes up and the bonuses disappear. Get in now while you still can.